ಟು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಟಿವಿ. ಪ್ರಿಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದಿದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ, ಆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಪರಿಸರದ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರಿ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಳ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ.
The population of leopards in the country has seen a very small increase. According to the survey conducted in 2018, there were a total of 12,852 leopards in the country, but in the 2022 survey, this number has increased to 13,874. That means an annual average increase of 1.08% has been recorded. But increasing human-wildlife conflict, poaching of wildlife is still a big challenge for the security of leopards, and the government and local communities have to work together to control them, said the survey report. What is a survey? This has come to light in the report of the 5th edition of the leopard census conducted every 4 years by the National Tiger Conservation Authority and the Wildlife Agency of India in collaboration with the forest departments of the states. The survey was conducted using technology in leopard habitats in 18 states of the country, and census of leopards was conducted. It also includes 4 important tiger sanctuaries, which constitute 100% of the leopard habitats. The department said that the survey has been conducted in 70% range. In this survey, 641 for 49 km were walked and hunted by leopards in leopard habitats. Cameras were installed at a total of 32,803 places where leopard footprints were detected in the area. These cameras captured 470, 81, 881 photos, of which 85,448 photos were of leopards. The final report is prepared considering all these statistics. Key points of the report. According to the survey report, there are 8,820 leopards in central India, up from 8,071 in 2018. Through this 1.5 recorded an annual increase. In addition, 1,109 leopards were found in the Shivalik Hills and Gangetic Plains, as against 1,253 in 2018. It means that the number of leopards in this area has increased by 10% per year during 4 years. A decline of 3.4% was recorded. If we consider the total number of leopards in the country during 2018 to 2022%, it has increased by 1.08%. At the same time, the number of leopards in central India and western Ghats is 100%. An increase of 1.5% has been recorded. The population of Madhya Pradesh first, Karnataka second. Madhya Pradesh has the highest number of leopards at 3,907, as against 3,421 in 2018. Maharashtra is at the second position with 1,985 leopards. Karnataka is at the third position with 1,879 leopards. In 2018, there were 1,783 leopards in the state. Tamil Nadu is at the fourth position with 1,070 elephants. While the concentration of leopards is highest in Andhra Pradesh's Nagarjuna Sagar Srishalam Tiger Reserve, the largest numbers of leopards are found in Panna and Sutta Reserve forest areas of Madhya Pradesh. 30% of area survey. Percentage of non-cheetah habitats. 30% of non-forest areas, arid areas, and high mountain areas in the Himalayas were not surveyed. But more attention needs to be given to the conservation of leopards in these areas. Not only that, the report said that there is a need to implement a long-term action plan across the country for the conservation of leopards. Increasing human-wildlife conflict. The report notes that human-leopard conflict and poaching of leopards have increased in leopard habitats outside sanctuaries and protected forest areas. Government organizations, voluntary organizations and local communities need to work in cooperation with each other in the conservation of leopards. There were 8,071 leopards in Shivalik Hills in 2018. In 2022, this number will increase to 8,820. But the number of leopards in the Indus-Gangetic Plains has declined slightly. There were 1,253 leopards here in 2018. But by 2022, their number will decrease to 1,109. Overall, the number of leopards in the country increased by 1.08% annually during 2018 to 22. The report